You guys love Grok, but do you know YouTube just built its own AI right into your dashboard?
Good news, guys. There is a new update on YouTube. Guys, it's mind-blowing and a game changer for content creator in 2026. YouTube just launched this new update and it will shift your content creation to the next level. You won't believe this. This particular tool enables you to know what your audience are currently watching. Forget about the other tool you know. This is an updated tool and you need to embrace it and jump on it immediately. This tool enables you to generate titles that is right and fitted for your videos because it understands your YouTube videos and what your audience are interested in. And not just that, it writes your video description and can even optimize your channel for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this new feature to level up your content creation. Not just that, how to use it to brainstorm and get the necessary ideas. Guys, if you're ready for this, let's dive into it. But before then, meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Kui, and here I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build and monetize and stay monetized, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid, exploring AI tools to level up your content creation. So if this sounds like something you love, please give this video a like and drop me a comment, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Then turn on the post notification so you'll be the first to be notified when my new update is released. Don't tell anybody about this tool. So let's go. So first thing you need to do is to head over to your YouTube studio. That is the desktop version. It is studio.youtube.com. That is the desktop version. Whether you're using your PC or you're using your mobile phone, it's the same process, okay? So once you come over to your desktop version, you have your channel dashboard. In your channel dashboard, you're going to look up here. You're going to see chat with creator support. Here you have help, and the next icon you're seeing there is Ask Studio. Guys, this is a game changer. I just noticed it and I needed to put this out so that I can leverage on this. This particular tool here, I've used this tool to optimize my thumbnails and my titles and my description tags to be SEO optimized. And not just that, it gives you idea. Yes, it gives you idea to know what to do next. It can summarize your entire channel for you if you know how to use it. So once you click on it, it's going to open up to this interface. Click on these three dots. You're going to see suggestion library, see clear history, send feedback. Guys, please pay attention to this part very well. Now look down, you're going to see ask about a specific video. Type plus and a video title, then select it from the list. Beautiful. So guys, I want to show you something. This is beautiful. Now, if you don't know how to use it, you will not be able to get the desired result. So just follow this step by step. Now, the first thing is that how can Ask Studio help me? Summarize comments, suggest new video ideas, summarize my channel performance. This is beautiful. Now, this is where a lot of content creators are going to blow up this year. Now, if you're a small account, if you're a small channel, please, you need to jump on this tool and start using it ASAP. If you want this tool to, to summarize your channel, you quickly come here and click on this summarize my channel. It's going to give you a breakdown, okay? It's going to summarize my channel performance. Let me remove this so that I can see very clearly. It will summarize my channel performance in the last 28 days. Now it's going to give you everything. Okay, now in the last 28 days, Build and Brand has seen significant growth across all major performance categories. Here is a summary of your channel's performance. Guys, I hope you are seeing this. Let me expand it. You can click this bar to expand it. You can click it to collapse. Okay, so let me expand it. Now, this is growth highlight. Your channel is experiencing a strong positive trend, particularly in reaching new audiences. I love it. So now look at the audiences. I love it. So now look at the metrics. Look at the last 28 days and look at versus comparing the last 20.
Look at the last 28 days and look at versus comparing the last 28 days versus the previous 28 days, and you can see there is massive views. Goodness, there's a lot of changes. Okay, and the watch time I've gained, oh wow, this is beautiful. And guys, and it has actually showed me my revenue. Okay, now look at the audience breakdown. Okay, now it's a new audience, new viewers you have attracted. It gives you a summary of your entire channel. This is what I don't want to dwell on this. I want to show you something. Now look at this: channel health and consistency. Wow, this now that's giving me returning viewers. Yeah, this is my returning viewers. You have a steady core of 459 returning viewers, while the growth here is more modest. This particular feature will literally change the story and the narrative of your channel. That is, if you follow these steps and go over to your YouTube studio and start working with that Ask Studio. It's a great feature. Now look at this. I'm going to ask to Leah, let's go ahead and check it out. So watch what is going to happen. Yes, let's proceed. So you are chatting like this one. You don't need to go to ChatGPT anymore. Do you understand? This one understands your YouTube growth, it understands your YouTube channel, it understands your niche. So if you are confused, you can use this and ask for clarity. If you are still trying to, okay, should I mix this and this, you need to use this to ask all your questions. Guys, are you excited? Go ahead and use this. So now look at it. It said my top performing video. It has given me my top performing videos, right? And the revenue. Okay, that this top. Now look at it. It's about AI. Okay, it's about AI. And now look at the top key takeaways. The key takeaway says that search and utility. Your top 2 videos are how to. Okay, so that means that it's tutorial focused. And it's all focused on Grok, suggesting that your audience and new viewers are highly interested in practical AI tools and workarounds or updates. These 2 videos alone contribute to a large proportion of your total views and subscriber growth. Beautiful. You now say monetization drive. The Grok update video is your top revenue earner, showing that timely high value tutorials are great for your RPM. So short form community, your birthday short. Okay, so even my short form and community posts also are which likely helped with overall channel visibility, even though its watch time contribution is lower due to its format. Do you understand? So the success of Grok content is a clear signal. Would you like to look for other trending AI topics or brainstorm more tutorial ideas for your next video? So now at this point I already have a video idea. The next video the video I'm uploading, so I'll now go to that video and I'll bring in the title of that video. Okay, this is the title of my video. I'll now copy this title and give it back to this. I'll now say this is my video, my next video title. And send. Now this is going to analyze the title and tell you the chances for that video to perform well. Not just that, it will give you titles, description, thumbnail idea, and all of that. You see? So now look at it. See, this is a strong and timely title. Okay, it directly pinpoints your audience. So why this work for your channel? High relevance, audience demand, search potential, video idea suggestion. Okay, so it has actually given us another video idea suggestions. Okay, inspired by the recent Grok payment issues comment. Now from my Grok payment issues, there were comments. Okay, now this AI analyzes your comments also. It analyzes your comments and everything, both your interaction with your audience, so that it can be able to give you the right keywords and your idea. Guys, at this point, do you now see why you need to start using this YouTube studio to improve your channel's views? If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Will you be trying this out? Do you have it yet in your YouTube studio? If you don't have it, let me know in the comment section as well. It's a new release and not a lot of content creators will have it, but if you can see it in your own, please go and start using it right away. So at this point, this is the new feature and this is the new update. Thank you so much for watching till this time, and until then, see you in the next one.